Hello guys, Vanessa Montilla for Verges Institute. Today we're going to keep talking about the simple past tense in Spanish. Let's do it. The simple past tense, pretérito perfecto simple in Spanish, or preterite. That's how most of the students refer to this tense. We use this tense for events that happened at a specific point in time in the past. And we usually indicate this specific point by using a time expression. Here we're going to see some of the most common time expressions in Spanish. We're going to use ayer, yesterday, anoche, last night, el martes pasado, like on Tuesday, last Tuesday, or we're just going to say el martes, like on Tuesday or last Tuesday. We usually omit the word pasado, because we are using the past tense in this sentence. We understand that it was last Tuesday. Also, we can be more specific when we use a time expression, and we could say the time during the day. It could be el viernes por la noche, on Friday night, or in the evening or afternoon. Okay, let's see some examples. We have the first example is ayer hice el examen. Yesterday I took the test. Next one, el domingo pasado fui al restaurante. These two sentences are using a time expression to indicate an event that happened in the past. Let's see more examples. We have del 2008 al 2010 viví en Boston. From 2008 to 2010 I lived in Boston. This is like a period of time, but it is very clear the beginning and the ending. Okay, next example. El viernes cociné arroz con pollo. In this one, we are omitting pasado and just using el viernes. And we understand that it was last Friday. In English, you will say last Friday. Even that you are using a past tense, it requires a time expression to specify what Friday. More examples. Carlos llamó anoche a las 10. Carlos called last night at 10. Very specific event in the past. And the last example, Alicia y María se casaron el 3 de marzo. Alicia and Maria got married on March 3rd. Very specific, and in this case we even have the date. Then just remember that we're going to use the pretérito perfecto simple, the preterite, for events that happen on a specific point in time. That means completed events with a clear beginning and ending. That was all for today, guys. If you want to take classes with us, check the link in the description. I will be here next week with more lessons. Ciao!